It's not frozen. All right, how much more time do you need, people? 1 minute? All right, so everybody knows you need a little notebook that you can actually write in. I'll be back. I got more papers to get. Teacher gets out the way. Up here. To the blank page. Front of the page. Okay. Yeah, nothing good. You did good. Did everybody get one? Did everybody get one? They got one. Keep going. They got one. So what you're seeing right here is just an example of what I would do as a do now. It took the students a very long time to do it, but that is an example of what we do. And then I'm going to show you something else here. Okay, so this is what the calculator looks like without any functions happening or going on. So you see right here where it says class. This is how you start the class. Let me end the class. So I would just click begin class, and then I have a little tool that connects to the calculator. It's you plug it into the computer, and then you can show the students from here what you press. So that's the home key. There's several different ways that you can get documents up. So you can click calculate right away and you get a calculator. You can go home, you could click graph, and you can also do the same thing down here. So I can get calculate that way. It's just each one is kind of unique, but it's still the same thing. And you click no, and then you can add what you want here. It also does programming. I don't get to get there because of all of the things that we have to do most of the time, but you can also press the screen. But just to show you what they do. So that's one thing that they do. And then if I wanted to solve an equation, it could, you can always do something where the students are solving an equation equals 10. I didn't mean 10x. That's what I was looking for. I was like, x equals 2. So say, for instance, you wanted to solve a quadratic, zeros, so x squared minus 5x plus 6 comma x, and it gives you the factors. I'm sorry, it gives you the zeros, but you can also do the factoring part. So factor, I would like to, I don't know, I should have copied it before that, but anyway, x squared minus, minus 5x plus 6. I know, comma. I don't think you have to reference X. There you go. So you didn't have to reference X. And then I was thinking about something else. Oh, the solve feature also does the same thing. Oops. Oh my goodness. Like 3. Did I type it in different? Oh my goodness, I have the X there. I'm like, what is wrong? Yeah. I'm like, something's not right. I shouldn't have 6x there. So let's do it again. I'm like, something's not right. They should all be the same thing. There we go. So it just shows you different ways of doing the same thing. So you can minus the solve with the x equals -1 and x equals 0. So then that's some, some of the stuff that it does. And then um I don't think I can show you how I can send files to their calculators because names might pop up. But the way that you do it is you click here, you send to class. You can also collect documents from there. I mean, my goodness, there's so many things it can do. The graphing is crazy, so you can do that. You could teach students, which I like to try to teach them how to um really analyze what they're doing. Trying to remember, do I split view? No. There's a way you can split the screen. It's not, oh, is it view here? There's a way. I don't remember right now. I don't usually use it, but oh, there it is, split screen table. There it is. Boom. All right, so I'm gonna stop for now because it's the end of the day. I'm tired. But there's so many different things you could do with these calculators. They are amazing. So hopefully, we can get some really interesting things going in our classrooms. Thank you for watching.